This video demonstrates how to mount your wall mount pool light if you don't have an existing niche and your light hole is smaller than 7 3/4. If your light hole is larger than 7 3/4, then refer to our other video on mounting your light using the no drilling required support bracket.
Hello everyone, this is Doug, No More Green Technologies. Today I'll be showing you how to mount the bracket for your wall mount pool light to your pool wall. Now you want to use this method if the hole in your pool is smaller than 7 3/4 inches and you don't want to have an existing niche with a set screw. So come on in and let's take a closer look.
This is the bracket that came with your light. You're going to want to drill a 1/4 inch hole right here in the center, or if you wish you can use the 2 pre-existing holes. But this will require you to drill 2 holes into your pool wall versus 1 in the center. Now I've already gone ahead and drilled a 1/4 inch hole into this bracket. So now this is prepared to mount onto the surface of your pool wall. So let's move on to that step. Next, you want to center the bracket over the hole and you want to mark with a Sharpie where you're going to be drilling into the wall. Using a 1/4 inch concrete drill bit, you're now going to want to drill the hole into the wall. And here's a little tip. If you take a piece of tape, I used some electrical tape here, you can mark the depth of the anchor so you know how far to go into the wall. After you've done that, simply drill straight through the concrete, which I've already done so here, right up to the tape line. And now it's time to insert the anchor. Simply push it in and tap it in with a hammer. And now it's time to install the bracket. To secure the bracket, tighten the screw into the wall anchor until it's tight. And now you're ready to mount the light onto the bracket.
Refer to the instructions that came with your light to complete the installation process. And as always, we're here to help. You can always reach out to us at info@nomoregreen.com if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.